Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Lodha Group new launch project named as Lodha Sovrano, located bang on Patel Estate Road, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on the land parcel of 3.5 acres that will have total of 5 towers of ground plus 31 floors having 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK ultra luxury residences. Also, you have limited duplex and penthouse options available. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Lodha Bilair, bang on Patel Estate Road, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai, from where you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 5 minutes, metro station is at a distance of 4 minutes, Jogeshwari Railway Station is at a distance of 2 minutes, and Infinity Mall is at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 45 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool. Also, they have a separate indoor swimming pool with temperature control. Also, they have a golf simulator, dedicated praying area, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 986 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1193 square feet and 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1394 square feet. Also, you have limited duplex and penthouse options available. And now, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 7.20 lakhs. Also, this token will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. EOI holders will be given exclusive launch over and above others. Also, they have preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first to select their preferable inventory. So everyone, this was the teaser of Lodha Group new launch project named as Lodha Sovrano, located bang on Patel Estate Road, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.